Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Swachh Bharat Mission. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry released the Swachh Sarvekshan rankings, which began as part of the Swachh Bharat Mission. The President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, conferred Swachh Sarvekshan Awards 2023 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Now let's discuss what is Swachh Bharat Mission, that is SBM. Swachh Bharat Mission, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission is a country-wide campaign. It was initiated by the Government of India on 2nd October 2014 to eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste management. The mission has two verticals, rural and urban. For rural areas, there is SBM Grameen, which is overseen by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. And for urban areas, there is SBM Urban, which is overseen by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Now let's understand what is Swachh Sarvekshan. It is a ranking exercise taken up by the Government of India to assess rural and urban areas for their levels of cleanliness and active implementation of Swachhata Mission initiatives in a timely and innovative manner. The objective of the survey is to encourage large-scale citizen participation and create awareness amongst all sections of the society. Additionally, the survey also intends to foster a spirit of healthy competition among towns and cities. The theme of the Cleanliness Survey 2023 was Waste to Wealth, while for 2024, it is Reduce, Reuse and Recycle. Now lastly, let's discuss about Swachh Sarvekshan Awards 2023. This year, the Cleanest City Award showcased joint winners. Port City Surat bagged the top honors alongside Indore, who had conquered the top spot alone for 6 consecutive years. In the category of cities with a population of less than 1 lakh, Saswat, Patan and Lonavala secured the top 3 spots. Varanasi and Prayagraj won the top 2 awards among the cleanest Ganga towns. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh won the top 3 awards for Best Performing State. Chandigarh bagged the award for the Best Safai Mitra Surakshit Shehar. A total of 110 awards were bestowed during the ceremony. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Swachh Bharat Mission was launched on 15th August 2019. 2. The mission has two verticals, urban and rural. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.